Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Taste, taste. She can get a taste. Say the wrong words, you be hangman.
Yo guys, what up? It's your woman here. One watching the video. Hope it's having a great day. Today we're going to Seal Beach with my uncle and my aunt. So right now we're getting ready, and then yeah. So see you guys right now. Driving with Vienna. You're gonna fall. Alright guys, so we made it. Our goal was to get here before the sunset, so we did it. And now we're just gonna go to the pier, right? We're gonna go to the pier. So yeah, let's go. We made it to the pier. It's freezing. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but everybody's just looking at us. I know. Can you guys even hear us right here? Like right there.
What is it called? Your earbuds?
Yeah, but it sounds worse.
The AirPods?
Yeah. Oh, look at that sunset though. Damn. Oh yeah, I already took pictures for the you don't even. It's so cold though. Like, I need a haircut. I don't know if you guys can even hear me.
You make my heart beat super fast.
Right now we're not sure what we're gonna do, but yeah.
We're gonna go eat some In-N-Out, bro.
Are we?
Maybe.
I know. It's getting kind of cold. Like the sunset already happened.
Yeah.
So right now, I don't know. We're just going back. So yeah. So we just ordered our food, and then apparently there was an earthquake again, but we didn't feel it because we're in the car. So our moms called us, and they were like, okay, yeah. So like, our mom called us, and they were like, "Do you guys feel the earthquake?" And we were like, "No." And then yeah, it's crazy. Wait, what the heck? There's so many earthquakes, dude.
Wait, but
yesterday,
did they say
today,
if it was a hard one or no?
I don't know.
I mean, Abe just texted me like 3 minutes ago, dude, there's an earthquake. That's alright.
Copyrighted.
Oh, you're right. Sorry.
Alright. So see you guys right now when we get our food.
Lemonade, Coke, and a strawberry shake? Yes. Any ketchup today?
Can I have spread?
And how many spread?
2?
2? Got it.
Now ready for a bunch of spams. Everyone like, oh my god, there was an earthquake.
I
Did you feel
know.
the earthquake? Did you feel the earthquake?
The other day too. I actually felt that earthquake. I was low-key scared. I was like, oh my god, we're dying.
No, earthquakes are low-key a scary
Two
thing.
cheeseburgers and a double.
Thank you. We're just missing our guys.
Oh yeah. Our fries.
Thank you. Okay, yeah.
Why did they give us like another one?
I don't know. Because it doesn't all fit.
My phone's gonna die.
Did you feel the earthquake?
Did you feel the earthquake? Is this a parking spot?
What did it do?
This is the parking spot, but we're right next to the
There you
trash.
go.
So. I forgot they don't give you straws over here.
Shoot, my bad.
Ooh, that scared me.
Go run inside and ask, can I get straws, please? Like, literally just run inside. I don't care. Please, just please.
I need to
just
pee, so like.
My
Oh,
sandwich
did you want to go?
You go,
Yeah.
then. You go.
Come with me then.
Alright,
Oh
fine.
my god, you guys leave me in the car alone?
Alright. You wanna ask for the straws and I can go pee?
We were all staring at each other.
Alright. I'm gonna go. Mission accomplished. We peed.
It's actually not cold to play here.
We got forks and the straws. I know, look, it's not even cold. Be like, what? You want forks? They didn't tell me. I mean, she did text me, but like.
Dude, I only got 2 straws.
Be back. What's up?
Did you get my fork?
You wanted a fork?
I texted you.
Oh my
I think I
god.
got 2 straws.
There you go.
I'm about to take a bite, bro.
For real.
Alright, what do we do though? Get closer though.
I'm just gonna go.
No, I'm just kidding.
Alright.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm
I'm
hungry.
gonna take the wrapper off.
Okay, so there was an earthquake, but we didn't even feel it. And everybody's talking about it.
So I'm kind of upset, but I felt the other earthquake.
I haven't
I
felt
didn't feel that
any
one either.
earthquakes.
So, like at all here?
No.
Crazy life.
I've always been like sleeping, or I don't know, doing what. This is mine, right?
I was gonna say, what are you guys' thoughts on, like, bro, literally, we're about to start school, like, so quick already again.
I don't want to go to school.
I know. Even scary for me.
We're going to
Wow.
college. What if we were in the freaking pier and there was an earthquake? Everything is freaking.
I know the waves would have been like going crazy. Tsunami.
Wait, do you know more people that's going, do you know, like, a lot of people that are going to Norwalk? Like, your friends are going to Norwalk?
Yeah.
That's good. At least you're not gonna be alone, you're like me, like Glenn. I remember when I was first gonna go, I was telling everyone, bro, I was like, bro, I'm gonna be eating my lunches in the restroom.
I would just go to the library.
You first went?
Mhm.
Just you and Abe or what?
No, like if Abe wouldn't be there at school, I would just go to the library.
Oh my god, it's the worst thing in the world when your group of friends doesn't come to school. And you have no other group of friends that you usually hang out with.
Oop.
Why
Sorry.
is we're so quiet?
I'm
We
too
can't play
hungry.
music.
I don't know. But like,
You just hear us chewing.
I know.
ASMR.
You guys have any interesting things to talk about?
My life's pretty boring.
Same.
I wonder if people are like, oh my god, what is this college student hanging out with a
No,
freshman?
she
and-
said this is our aunt. I mean, this is my aunt. And I'm like, oh, that's his aunt from the last
Oh, you're
video.
right.
Yeah. They know who you are.
True.
I mean, I guess.
True.
I don't know if they know your name, but
Don't worry about it. No, I'm just kidding.
You gotta know the name. Wait, I just don't understand why like teachers don't like people knowing their first name or like anything.
What do you mean, bro?
Right. Like they get mad if you know their name.
Like, haven't you seen that video where
Oh, a kid calls his teachers
By their first name?
Yeah,
they're like, like, no. But to be honest, I feel like those videos are kind of fake. I don't know.
yeah. Or what's it called? Like, bro, literally when you get your paper, like to see your classes, it literally shows the person.
So,
What is this for?
supposedly for you, like, to
This,
Be
these
clean.
people are like, what the fuck?
I
These
know.
people- oh.
You're right.
You're looking at this. What?
You're still staring, bro.
This is so fucking freaking awkward.
I didn't even think about that people were gonna come by and see us recording ourselves eating.
I can't breathe.
It's okay.
How about you look this way?
They're freaking laughing too, bro.
Can they look at you?
I don't know. I can't see them.
They were looking though for sure.
I know. They were like, look at
They're like this
them.
brightest light right there.
They're like, you're loud. I'm like red.
Me too.
Alright.
That's whatever.
Either way,
We
people are
just
gonna
like
see
to
this.
record ourselves eat.
I just put my tongue.
I know that they were freaking looking at us like, what is this?
My tongue. I think I'm bleeding.
I hate when that happens when you bite your lip or tongue.
Man, I really care too. I'm enjoying this.
Oh, dude. I mean, we're never gonna see those people ever again.
Him too.
No.
Hope you guys had a good 4th of July.
Alright, so how about you guys like, we'll show you guys some clips of yesterday since I didn't made a video about it because it was kinda boring. Not boring, but like I didn't want to make a video.
Want to spend time with the family.
I just spilled soda all over me. So yeah, here's some clips of 4th of July. Hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah. Got home. You're tired. Oh my bugger.
Good morning, everybody.
Ooh, that was so freaking funny. Ooh. Wait, who's here? Shh. We're gonna record. Let's see what they say. We didn't feel it. Wait, what happened there? Everyone? Oh. You back home. Dude, apparently the earthquake was really bad, but we didn't feel nothing. Well, probably like it was like here, like over there, like it wasn't that bad. Like, you get me? Like,
I don't think so, because it was even in Mexico too. So I'm pretty sure we felt it.
you're right. Never mind. But like,
We would have felt it over there.
I don't know. I feel like we were just like used to the car moving, that we didn't feel like we didn't feel it. So, like, I don't know. Alright, so yeah, right now we just got home, and then tomorrow.
Where's my water bottle?
You didn't take a water bottle?
I had a water bottle.
No.
Yes.
No.
I did, Manny.
No, you didn't.
Just didn't see it.
But yeah, right, we just got home. It was pretty lit with the earthquake that we didn't feel, but okay, we didn't feel nothing. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna go to the lake, so I'm gonna have another video. You know what's up? You know, with the videos every other day almost, until I don't have nothing to post. So then I'm not gonna have videos for like a week or 2 weeks. So then it's gonna be like so sad. So like. But yeah, alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to share, comment down below, give it a like, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, guys.
She can get a taste. She can get a taste. Say the wrong words, you be hangman.